To connect Alexa to a Samsung TV, first ensure the TV model supports Alexa integration by searching online with the TV's model number. If it does, download the SmartThings app on a smartphone and create an account or log in to an existing one. Once in the app, select the Add Device option and follow the prompts to add the Samsung Smart TV. After adding the TV, exit the app and open the Alexa app, navigating to Skills and Games to enable SmartThings. Log in to the SmartThings skill using the Samsung account credentials. If the login is successful, return to the Alexa app, select Devices, and then Add to initiate the discovery process. Wait for Alexa to detect the Samsung Smart TV, and once discovered, it is possible to control the TV using Alexa's voice commands. The process is straightforward, allowing for easy connection and control of the Samsung TV with Alexa.